Welcome to Amaze Zane.
It is the Earth's solid outer crust. A. Stratosphere. B. Lithosphere. C. Atmosphere. The answer is B. Lithosphere. The point on the surface of the Earth, directly above the hypocenter of an earthquake. A. Control. B. Center. C. Epicenter. The answer is C. Epicenter. A group of mountain ranges with similarity in form, structure and alignment that have arisen from the same cause. A. Mountain system. B. Mountain lane. C. Mountain series. The answer is A. Mountain system. A volcano that has had at least one eruption during the past 10,000 years. A. Extinct volcano. B. Sleeping volcano. C. Active volcano. The answer is C. Active volcano. It is when two plates come together. A. Divergent boundary. B. Convergent boundary. C. Transform plate boundary. The answer is B. Convergent boundary. The earthquakes that occur along these zones, called spreading centers, are relatively small. A. Divergent. B. Convergent. C. Transform plate. The answer is A. Divergent. This is called subduction. A. Divergent. B. Convergent. C. Transform plate. The answer is B. Convergent. When two plates are sliding past each other. A. Convergent boundary. B. Transform plate boundary. C. Divergent boundary. The answer is B. Transform plate boundary. It occurs when two tectonic plates move away from each other. A. Convergent boundary. B. Transform plate boundary. C. Divergent boundary. The answer is C. Divergent boundary. Stripes of magnetic material in the seafloor provide strong evidence for tectonic theory. A. Sea floor magnetism. B. Floor magnetism. C. Sea magnetism. The answer is A. Sea floor magnetism. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to Amaze Zane Online Quiz.